Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my social media platform where I teach about forex and related content of how to make money online. So without wasting much time today, I'm going to talk about how to open a forex trading account that we are going to log in. Like this is my MT5 and we are going to see how we are going to navigate and how we are going to set our account on this platform for proper trading where it's chatting or loading Nigeria, right? For proper loading, yeah, it has loaded. So we're going to see how we are going to log in on our account from this perspective. So stay tuned, please. I'm going to show you step by step area. So what you are going to do, we go to Chrome. So it depends on the kind of browser you want to use. Many people use Okta, many people use FTMO, many people use different kind of broker. So it depends on you, the one you want to use. So as for me, I prefer to use Okta FX. So you go to the website, any broker you want to use, or you want to make use of Okta. If it is Okta FX, you press go, you use Okta. Load. Why is network? Yeah, it have load. So in this place, you click open an account if you don't have an account. So these are the place where you fill your details. After you have filled your email, your password, then you press confirm. I agree. Then you press I'm not a robot. Then it will be signing in. After you have created the OctaFS will email you. So for the sake of this, let me just pause the video and log into my account because Facebook don't allow sensitive information to be posted. So here is it after I logging into my account. So here is the account details. So after you have created the account and you have logged in, so this is the place where you create an account demo that you are going to use to start trading. We got bonus, the opportunity. Then you come here, your account, then you press create an account. Then after you press create an account, you choose is it MT4 or MT5 you want to use. Then many choose to use MT4 or MT5. So let me, for this video purpose, let me choose MT5. If I choose MT5, I want how many leverage? I think I talked about leverage. So leverage is it 1 to 500 or 1 to 200? Let me use 1 to 200 so that I can have more margin. So after that, okay, so demo. I want to create demo account so that you can see. 1 is 200. Then I will press create. So look at, congratulations, your demo account is ready. So these are my password. Account, I will copy the account. I will look for the server OctaFX demo, then trader's password. I will use it. So what I will do, I will minimize. I will go to MT5. MT5, then I I will look for account. I will press manage account. Then I will look for add. In the add, I will look for OctaFX. So look at OctaFX. Then I will press login existing account. I will paste it. Then OctaFX. The server is OctaFX demo. Then I will look for the password. What is our password? Trader password. Use your MetaTrader. So this is the password. Let me copy it. I copied it. So I will save, then I'll press login. As you can see, it's trying to connecting. Let me see, hope I didn't make a mistake. OctaFX, the server is OctaFX demo. Yeah. What's wrong? Let's just have a little bit patience and see. So guys, after some minutes of waiting, so the account has logged in. So this is the account, 5,000. Since I've logged in, it's successful, then I'll enter. So this is the currency used, L5, L15, M30. So after this done, then here are the list of the currency. Here are list of the currency. Here is the chart. Here is the trade. Here is the trade history. And here is the messages. So this is how to install and update your MT4, MT5. So this how I do it. So click the subscription and turn on the notification bell for more easiest videos like this. Peace. Hey.